Wedding cake cookies are easy, delicious, and great for the holidays or any time of the year. One cup softened butter. Half cup powdered sugar. Cream. Blend on medium speed. Half teaspoon vanilla. 1 3/4 cup flour. Half cup finely chopped pecans. Fold these in. Cover and chill the dough for 1 hour. About 1-inch rounds. Ungreased cooked parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350. Now you put them in that preheated oven for 15 minutes. Let cool for a few minutes. Gently roll in powdered sugar. Once you've let them finish cooling, you can add another roll in the powdered sugar. Most importantly, make sure to eat one. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.